This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a backup, Google Drive on Android or iCloud on iPhone, using the same phone number. Once done, install the latest WhatsApp and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Make sure the battery is above 20% to avoid interruption. Grant storage and photo permissions so media can be restored. Now uninstall WhatsApp if already installed. You will reinstall fresh. This ensures the app detects the backup immediately when you open it and sets the stage for the restore. You reinstall WhatsApp and verify your phone number exactly as before. When prompted, tap Restore to import chats and media from your cloud backup. This brings back images, videos, and documents linked to the backup snapshot. Once restoration starts, let it run uninterrupted. Larger backups can take from minutes to an hour depending on size and connection speed. If media seems missing after chat restore, make sure automatic media download settings are enabled and wait. You finish by opening recent chats and checking that photos and videos appear. Tap any placeholders to force a download. If some media is missing, make sure you use the same cloud account and phone number as the backup and that you have enough free storage. Once done, consider restoring from a local backup on Android if cloud restore failed. If problems persist, clear app cache, retry, and contact WhatsApp support. They can guide you when a backup is corrupted or incomplete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.